Good morning, friends. This morning we are outside of the Riviera complex. It is my family favorite hotel. We stayed here every year growing up, and then just recently had to stop because it was pretty bad. And I think anybody who's been to Indiana Beach and has driven past has kind of seen that. This is by the North Gate, so if you're a season pass holder, you're going to keep down Indiana Beach Road. It's right before the security hut to get into Indiana Beach. So it's amazing to lay out here by the pool and you can hear the roller coasters. It's a great place, in my experience it has been, to really just let your hair down, hang out. So the reason we're here is that there's new management. So what we want to do is we want to tour the rooms, we want to see what's new, we want to take you with us and let you see if the Riviera is somewhere that you would want to stay, because it was super important to me. So I feel like if it helped my childhood have fantastic memories, it could help you too. So I hope you really enjoy this. Okay, and I'm gonna have to update as we go. These, I believe these are called the lakeside rooms now. These actually have a kitchenette in them and they face the water. There's a patio on the back side where you're looking out at the lake. This building is the office, and I believe there's now a store in there as well. This was the Beachcomber. I'm not sure if it still is or not, but that's where we always stayed. It's the most motel-ish. And then this building over in front of my hubby is what they used to call the Showboat, and I'm gonna have to ask her. I think it's Dockside maybe, but in years past it was the Showboat. And then the pool, they had to re-pour the concrete because it was a mess. Like, we stayed here once when it was still a mess and it hurt your feet just to walk to the pool. So I've been told it's totally redone, repainted, and yeah, there's lots of new stuff to see. Number 6. VIP treatment over here. Oh, I love the view of the lake. I missed it.
There's our big Mabel.
Nice. Oh.
We'll have the boat out by this weekend.
Nice. And that's the one that is just for tubing, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. Now we only stayed in these once, right?
Yes.
This is the 2-bedroom deluxe. Your little bathroom. Yeah.
Something must have come up.
We used to stay upstairs. Yeah.
Nice walkout patio to the pool. And then the door goes through to the bathroom, so there's shared access between the 2 bedrooms. Okay, so this one is a 1-bedroom, and it is right down the hall from the 2 bedrooms. Still get all the same amenities. You still get all the same views. But if you don't need a 2nd bedroom, then this is for you.
And with the swings instead of seating.
Yep.
So, and he can build all of it.
Oh, nice.
So this is our other jet ski over here.
Okay.
We've got to get a new battery for it.
Okay.
But yeah, so that's our plan over here. We just cut some new logs over here so we could make a big, huge fire pit. We just got this mowed yesterday, but yeah, we're gonna try and maybe build a gazebo around this.
Yeah, that thing has seen better
Put
days.
some flowers around it on the inside and take out the inside and just make it a big, huge fire pit.
Okay.
That everybody can sit around and swing and just chill out.
You know, you can even charge a couple bucks to have pre-made s'mores kits.
We could put them in buckets in the office.
That would be nice because, like, on a rainy day, you could still go out here and sit.
Yeah, it's just, I love sitting out here. Come out here about 10 o'clock finally to wind down. It's just gorgeous. Especially about 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. The water just looks like glass. It's so smooth.
Okay, the Riviera bungalows. So bright and beachy.
These are what we hope to do with the other ones.
Wow. Now, and these are 1 bedroom.
This is a 1 bedroom. Next door, there's
There
a 2
is
bedroom.
a 2. Okay. Jenny's hair just goes past the camera. Yes, I know it's a bathroom with a stand-up shower. Community grill for.
I wanted to have, you know, when people come here, that's why I want to have everything they need, and they don't have to leave. They don't have to be like, oh gosh, now we got to pack the kids in the car and go to Walmart.
town. Yeah.
You know, it's just.
Is this gentleman for sale?
I'm free.
You're
Mama, look
free.
at.
They come with the room.
I saw.
Can I have one?
And then today I'm going to work on getting my paparazzi wall.
Okay, so that was a quick tour of the Riviera Complex Resort. The Riviera. Down in Monticello, right across from the north entrance to Indiana Beach. I look exhausted. Sorry. It has been a day. Christy and her husband are fantastic. They were so welcoming, so kind. And I do want to point out that if you are somebody who has stayed at the Riviera multiple times, you are going to notice that, like, there's some fresh paint on things. There are some changes, some updates, but you're still going to be like, well, that's still the Riviera. All of the changes you've seen, they've only been there for a month. So they've moved their entire family, moved into the office. They've already been seeing guests for the last couple weeks. And they've managed to rehab that much in a month, which is, it's really impressive. Some side information that I did not videotape is that you can rent the jet ski. It starts at $65 an hour, and then a $25 flat rate for the gas and the oils and all of that, instead of having to fill it up and then pay for whatever you used and whatever else happens. So they're going to have 3 on property that you can rent for $65 an hour plus the $25 fuel charge. They also have a go-kart that you can rent. I forget the price on that, but you can rent a go-kart. And apparently if you cross the street and you're on the sidewalk, you can take it like all the way down to the gas station. So Christy's done a great job of stocking the little store in the office with just about anything you could need. But if there's something else you want, or you want to maybe hit one of the like fast food places, you want to go over to Rugi's Dugout, always recommend Rugi's Dugout. You don't have to leave in the car. You can hop on a golf cart, which is kind of fun. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you are interested in the Riviera. If you're looking for a place to stay just for a night or 2 or a whole week, definitely check out Christy. She's so, so nice. And the more we talked, the more that it really became apparent. She doesn't just want you there as a guest. She said she treats people like family, and it really seemed that way. People would come into the office and just be like, oh, hey, I'm Lisa. Oh, hey, Lisa. Like, I've known you forever. And they're people that were just checking in that day. So it's really good to see somebody there who's passionate about the Riviera and who's willing to put in the hard work. So thank you so much, Christy, for letting us come out and tour the facilities. It was awesome to be back on our home turf. And YouTube friends and family, if you're looking for a place to stay, I hope you'll at least go out there and check them out. She does give room tours, or she'll send you pictures of the room she's going to put you in so that you know what you're getting ahead of time. So definitely check them out. That is it for this video, and we'll see you real soon.